AI is coming for your job and it's coming for ours too. And you're seeing AI on all these platforms all over the place, which now has got you asking, exactly am I supposed to, how is this going to affect me? Now, there are two varying rooms of thought right now, where AI will take everything over in terms of services or taking away the existing services, or on the more positive side, it offers many more opportunities to expand our service offerings as well as challenge us to improve the value we offer to our clients. Just to be honest, the landscape has changed. Previously, freelancing, the way you used to do freelancing before, it can no longer be the same. You have to upgrade and you have to change the way you do things before. Now clients expect things faster, but they still expect it at the same quality level that they've had it previously. It requires a shift from fearing AI to actually embracing it. Not just as something that can help you, but it should be your co-pilot in all that you do, so to speak. Now, there are tools amongst all spheres of use, from content generation, design and visual tools, and admin tools, which every freelancer needs to start implementing into their workflows, which I'll be helping advise today. But before we get there, there are three understandings that every freelancer needs to internalize and accept going forward. One, they will be expected to deliver higher quality work in less time. Two, you'll have to look on how to maintain your unique value proposition. And three, you'll need to be transparent with clients about AI use. Yes, AI is everywhere, but you still need to take the onus and be honest saying, hey, I will use AI in our process. But you still need to maintain and let them know that they're still going to get quality and unique work. And the onus falls on you to prove that and to live up to that. So some actionable insights. For one, instead of charging less because they're using AI, you need to start doing the work of how you can expand your offering and actually improve and increase the value offered to clients. And potentially now, not just charge for what you returned, but for greater and enhanced results. So let me just give a few examples of where AI can be used for freelancers. For one, onboarding processes. Any manual process for onboarding can definitely be automated and can help improve the process. So from going from multiple emails, if you incorporate AI well into your current workflow, you can definitely improve the way you onboard your clients. Two, in terms of your tools and services. Now, with all of these tools and services, you'll need to find a way to make sure that the quality is kept at the high standard, even though you're using AI, because as much as we know, AI tends to make some errors in judgment. So you still have to be at the helm of the wheel, and you still need to be directing it and controlling where it goes. So we have now basically transformed into creative director, so to speak. You might have an army of AI tools and services, but now you need to direct them. You're the general of the ship. You're the captain of the navy, so to speak. So I'm just going to provide a few AI tools that can be used and how they can help you. So I'm sure many of you use the ChatGPT Ghibli Studios, but you can actually start using that for actually conceptualizing branding designs. So for instance, if you have to design a concept for a box, for a brand, for a makeup brand or a water brand, you can actually use that to visualize a concept that you have, or actually use the design you have and impose it on existing bottle images. So for instance, if you have already a box design and you have a box template, what you can do is go on ChatGPT and ask it to impose it on the box, so that now you have a concept of what it could look. Because there's a saying that goes, what you see, I'll see it when I believe it, which goes for many clients. Because as much as you can give a vision of what you have in mind or what you're thinking of creating, if you can have AI give you an initial concept that you can show them saying, okay, look, this is what I had in mind. Do you like this? Yes or no? It, for one, will save you a lot of time, because now you don't have to put in the upfront work to make this design and then have the actual box ready and printed and spending money to make it, just for the client to say, no, I don't like it. What you can do now is start having these initial concepts ready, so that you can say, okay, which one appeals to you more? Which one do you like? Secondly, you can use it to create mood boards. So now you can have an array of concepts. You can say, okay, do you like this color? Do you like this theme? Do you like this concept? Now you can do all of this before you've even started any actual work. But now you can start having an example of what you're looking towards, which again, it saves time and it also saves the client some money because now there's not much rework and now they can truly have the idea they want a lot sooner rather than later. You can also use AI tools for your admin. So for instance, Notion AI. Now with Notion, what you can do is actually create a client-specific portal with all of their data or the information regarding the work you guys are doing together. So instead of having a Google Drive with everyone's stuff all together, what you can do is have a specific page on your Notion for your client where they can see everything regarding the contracts that you've signed, your ideas. You can even have status updates on it, literally a whole dashboard where they can see everything that's going on regarding the job or the task that you are providing them with, which provides a level of trust because now they can say, okay, look, I just see he's updated the status of this to this. I can actually see, oh, he's uploaded a new image. Now you feel as part of the journey as the one offering the service because you're literally seeing them uploading work, changing statuses, providing new documents. Now you can actually see them doing this in real time. And for one, it provides a level of customization and care because now a client can see you took the time to create a portal where all this information is there. And even better, you can customize it to match the brand that they have. So it shows that you took the time and really care about their branding and also made it to look sure that it is their portal. Next, Otter AI. I'm sure many of you have joined a Google Meet and you see a note saying Otter AI note taker, or you see Gemini AI that is taking notes for meetings. Those are very important because now what you can do now is you can start using those notes to actually prepare action plans and also to help you in generating your proposals for what you propose for them. So for me, a simple example would be I am working on agents, using agents, AI, and automations. So that's what I'm currently working now for clients. So what I would do is, the moment the meeting ends, grab the transcript and begin creating a proposal of what we'd like to offer the client based on what we offer. Obviously, you don't offer everything under the sun, but you offer the services that you know you can actually live up to. So for instance, I have a meeting with a client and they want certain things. Let's say a mobile app, for instance. So now we talk about certain things, what they would like it to do, what they would need. And now I can take those meeting notes and actually use an AI agent to actually start helping me thresh out a proposal saying, okay, look, this is what the mobile app is going to be. This is what it's going to take. This is what it's going to have. And this is what it's going to require. And then we can start creating timelines, estimates, all of that straight after the meeting. And then send it to the client as an initial draft saying, okay, after our meeting, here's what I have for you. And then look through it and let us know what you think. Which for one, it shows that you're really excited for the partnership, because if you're going out of your way to create a proposal that quickly after a meeting in the same day, for instance, it shows that you really value the person's time because you're willing to get back to them very quickly. And also it shows an eagerness to work with them on this project. So secondly, another thing you can do is you can also use this to help you throughout the process of the client's work. So now, obviously, you're going to meet constantly multiple times throughout the process. So if you keep having these transcription notes all together in one place and you have the AI having all of this together, you can now start using it to help you keep track of certain tasks that you agreed to or promised, how far you are, where you are, and that will help you make sure that you are not too far away or that you've not missed anything, because now you can check and ask, say, hey, have I missed anything from our previous meetings, or what do I need to add to my task list now after this previous checkup meeting? The next AI that you can use is Honeybook AI. This helps for contract generations, for payment and processing, and for invoicing. Because for one, all freelancers, after the job is done, and that we need to get that invoice in as fast as possible. We want to make our money. So we need to make sure that with Honeypot AI and other AI tools out there, we have to make sure that we use this so that we get them to make payment as quick as possible and to minimize any delays in the process. Because now with AI, it helps us to speed up the process and to ensure that from step to step to step, we don't miss anything in between, and it helps improve the quality of our interactions with our clients. Because now, one-to-one, you might miss something, but you have an AI that's helping you fill in any gaps you might have had, or bring up anything that might be of importance to the client. It's important as well. So, and now you might be asking, hey, where can I create AI agents or tools for that? So, Google has created the Google AI agent workspace, where you can start creating agents that help you within the Google suite. So now you can actually start creating agents that work with your Google Docs, your Google Drive, your Google Slides. You can actually start integrating them all together to create agents that do certain things. So for instance, you got into a meeting, you've got the notes, you ask the agent to, okay, please note all of this in a Google Doc. Cool. Then you move on and start asking it to create slides using the notes from that meeting to show a presentation or proposal as well. You can use the slides to create a proposal template somewhat that you can present to them at their next meeting. Secondly, you can use N8N, N8N.io. This is an automation and AI platform which helps people create automations from multiple softwares, tools, so from your Zoho to your Google Sheets to your look, there's many tools that you can connect with. So you can create really extensive processes for instance, for onboarding. You can have a process where the moment a client sends you an email, you can immediately start creating folders for them, you can start creating documents for them, you can start creating proposals, you can start creating designs, all in the background before you've even done anything. All that you require some information at first. So this is just the start of a couple tools of what AI can do, and there's still a lot more out there. But like we said, the AI landscape is changing. There's going to be more tools, there's going to be more services and things out there. Me, as Mpumelelo Mkhize, as Kavazela the Tech Translator, will definitely be there helping to walk you through and highlighting any new tools that are coming out, and definitely showing you how they can help you in your business, in your service, and help serve your clients. Have a great day, and make sure to remember, try to use AI to address a pain point today. Because if a pain point addressed today could be an innovative business and a stronger business tomorrow. Collaborate Podcast. Have a great day, guys. And make sure, catch up with your freelancers, and make sure to like, share, subscribe.